Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Here is the lesson number 25 for you all. Sentence structure in German. Satzstruktur. Satzstruktur. Satzstruktur, which means sentence structure. Overview of this lesson. First is subject and verb. Second is verb position. And third is types of questions. Satzstruktur. Today we are learning sentence structure in German. Subject plus verb plus object. Verb at second position always. Zum Beispiel means for example. First is Ich heiße Anna. Ich heiße Anna, which means my name is Anna. In this sentence, Ich is our subject and heiße is our verb. And verb at second position always. Verb conjugate according to subject, which I will be teaching you in detail in second part of Satzstruktur. How to conjugate verb I will be teaching you in next part. Subject is either noun or pronoun. Second example, Ich komme aus Indien. In this sentence, Ich is our subject and komme is our verb. Ich komme aus Indien, which means I am from India. And verb at second position always. But there are few exceptions which we will be learning later. Now the W-Fragen. Verb position in W-Fragen. W-Fragen means W questions. Questions start with W family. For example, wo means where, wie means how, wann means when, warum means why, was means what, woher means where to, and so on. Now the first example of W-Fragen, wo wohnen Sie, which means where do you live. In W-Fragen, verb at second position always. In this sentence, wohnen is our verb and Sie is our subject. Second sentence, woher kommen Sie. Kommen is our verb and Sie is our subject. In W-Fragen also, verb at second position always. Now the Ja-Nein-Fragen. Verb position in Ja-Nein-Fragen. Ja-Nein means yes and no questions. First example, Haben Sie Kinder? Haben Sie Kinder? Haben Sie Kinder means do you have kids? In Ja-Nein-Fragen, verb at first position always. In this sentence, haben is our verb and Sie is our subject. Verb at first position always. Second sentence, wohnen Sie in Indien? Wohnen Sie in Indien? Do you live in India? Wohnen is our verb and Sie is our subject. Verb at first position always. Now the conclusion of this lesson. First, subject conjugates the verb. Second, verbs at the second position. Third, questions starting with W words. For example, wo, wann, woher, wie, etc. are W-Fragen. Next, Ja-Nein-Fragen are yes and no questions. And in Ja-Nein-Fragen, verbs at first position always. Thank you. See you in the next part of Satzstruktur. Like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Choose.